we just did a big complete circle around Las Vegas. We were way over there on the other side of that barricade there. We're not going into Las Vegas. We're actually going to the outskirts of Las Vegas to Summerlin, which is takes what? Probably about a half hour, I think, when we went to Vegas last time from Summerlin.
Were we in Summerlin where Shelly was staying?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, how about that?
Yeah.
It's amazing how big this area is now.
Oh, it's crazy. So I'm just cruising on the highway. Pumpkin, are you not interested in the kitty? Huh? What do you think, Pumpkin? So that's Nat. Nat is not real sure about Pumpkin. I think you guys will be friends before we leave. What do you think, Pumpkin? I don't know if Pumpkin has ever been around a cat. I don't know. She doesn't seem to mind. What do you think, Nat? You're much bigger than Pumpkin. We gotta be friendly. Yeah. You wanna play with Nat? You wanna play with Nat, huh? What you think? I don't know if Nat wants to play with you.
There's no way he's 23.
This is civil rivalry.
How many years between us? How many? Come on!
2.5 years, right.
Well, because I already told you the answer.
Well, I already knew that because I failed second grade, so you caught up real quick.
And they wanted to be a year ahead, and so
Oh, Nat's got his leash on.
Yeah, I remember that. That was
You got your leash on, huh?
Look at it. Oh, he's so happy.
So, Connor's now.
So this is Russ. Russ, would you say hello to our viewers? That is my brother-in-law. Of course, you know him.
With a nice shirt.
Yes, his sister gave him a new shirt. No more red.
T-shirt today. No red t-shirt. Looking fancy for the wifey.
And here is Shelly, Scotty's sister.
Yeah.
And we've already met Nat. Nat. Oh, Nat really does like to be outside. Oh. So you know where Scotty will be in the morning. He's going to be right here in this pool. I guarantee you that. It's beautiful. They have a beautiful home right outside of Las Vegas. So, Shell, what are you trying to get from us? What are you trying to get from us for
I
Jen?
need a sticker for my girlfriend Jenny,
Okay.
who I work with Beat Boeing, who adores you guys and has been watching you for years and will notify me if either one of you are sick.
Okay. So, Scott, we got to get her a sticker.
Absolutely.
She would tell me, like, hey, by the way, your brother isn't feeling well today. Thank you very much. I think that was a week ago, but it's all good.
It's parked like in the middle of the road.
I think it's a convertible.
Yeah, it's convertible.
All right, we are going to dinner. Where are we going to dinner at,
We are
Shell?
going to Limoncello, a lovely
Limoncello.
Italian restaurant. Great food, and we all end the evening with a nice shot of limoncello.
Do they have chicken wings?
There are no chicken wings.
No chicken wings.
Darn it.
Oh.
No.
I come to Vegas and there's no chicken wings?
No chicken wings in Italian restaurant. No.
Oh, okay, I didn't think about that one.
But you can
Yeah.
pick your fish or your shrimp.
Yes.
They have a little market section where you have all your fish and your choices, and I'm sure Auntie will share that with you guys.
Well, she probably won't.
And your sister does like fish.
Well,
we had this discussion that you didn't like
Oh,
fish,
yeah, because I
but
was
She
gonna
does.
cook you a
Scotty
meal.
was gonna
It's
cook her.
very particular.
Yeah.
I like boring, non-flavoring fish. Cod, halibut, I'm good.
You don't
could have
like
made some
sole?
heavenly sole.
Tilapia, maybe just a little
No,
tilapia.
no. I don't like no tilapia.
Boring stuff. Don't give me salmon unless you pour a lot.
Scott doesn't like salmon either.
Yeah.
No?
We ate a lot of it growing up. Dad,
Well, you
when Dad and I
fish.
went fished a lot. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, thank you.
You like heavenly sole though?
You've never made it for me.
Oh, I was gonna do it. I was that close.
What are
But
we
I
making?
told him that you didn't like fish. So we're gonna make tomorrow. What's on the menu is lumpia and pancit.
Lumpia and pancit. So Scotty and I were on the island of Guam for 2 years,
Yep.
and we learned how my mom, who shared that with us, learned how to make pancit and lumpia.
Yeah.
And I've been jonesing to make that for a long time, and now that you're in town, we're making pancit and lumpia.
And I just happen to have some lumpia rolls wrappers because Aja and I were supposed to do it, but we just never got around to it. So it will be fun to make them with you, Shell.
Oh, and just to let you know, when I went to the store with Shelly, she said we could stay as long as we want to.
I did.
You just want to live in the pool.
Yeah.
By the way, we have a pool. I'm not bragging, I'm just saying. It's very nice.
It is very nice.
It is
It's got a hot
Boy,
tub
here's
on the
some
one
noise out there in the middle of the night of you Scotty skinny dipping in the pool.
This is a
You
PG
can
show.
just see it.
This is a PG show. You can't.
No, he might. You might wake up and he
Say-
might
Oh, I
be doing
guarantee
that.
I'm going in there tonight. Just so you know.
I can say skinny dipping. That's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You just won't
So
feel Scotty.
if you turn the camera around, you can see the strip.
Okay. Oh yeah,
Actually, that's
I filmed up
Fremont.
there for him, boy. It's that was a good view at the very top.
Yeah. What altitude are we at, Russ? What other house?
Well, our house is like 2,800.
About 28.
Yeah.
Oh, I have an elevation app on my phone, so when we go sit at your pool tonight,
In the hot
We're going to be at
When
water level.
Scotty's-
Who's gonna get in the hot tub?
When
The hot tub's
Scotty's
hot.
skinny dipping in the pool.
you need to keep your skivvies on.
Yeah. No
I don't wear
skinny
skivvies.
dipping in my pool.
I haven't taken a shower in 17 days, so.
Well, that's what the pool's for.
That is not
Well, you've been in the river. That's what the river's for.
He's
You
sweating off a bunch
you
of
took a
sweat.
shower 2 days ago,
I
you
did.
dingling.
I did.
He's gonna shed like a pony in there.
You'll come out and you'll have dead skin
film.
floating.
Yeah.
Film all over.
Our pool boy will charge extra for that stuff.
Maybe almost 30 pounds.
What kind of pool boy do you have, Shell?
Wow. It started out as this very hunky German fella, and then it was a bait and switch because all of a sudden some 40-year-old old man is now cleaning my pool. I'm just saying, good marketing, nice, but I really want my German pool boy back.
And how old was he?
I'm gonna go like 30-ish.
And then you got 40, huh?
40's old.
No, I said 30-ish.
No, but
40 is being very generous.
Actually, saw the
45.
current pool boy. He's like, who's that? And I'm like, it's the freaking pool boy. I can't call him pool boy. He's like the pool man.
Pool grandpa.
He's the pool substitute. And I just don't think he's as hot as my lovely little German fella. I think they want some calamari.
Oh
to
my
start.
gosh, so we're having,
Yeah.
Okay. You want to share it?
having a gin and tonic, a little cucumber. What do you got, Shell?
I have a lovely Pinot Grigio.
What you got?
Chianti.
Chianti, and Scotty's got something with a...
Blue Moon. And one thing we're not having tonight is any gloppy food, I can tell you that much.
Let's see.
Thank you.
So, Shelly just ordered the calamari.
maybe I'll get the lasagna. I want to be able to eat it all.
Sounds really yummy.
Haven't done the
The
lasagna.
seafood lasagna?
Oh, is it seafood? I
No,
forget.
there's one with seafood.
Boy, the pizzas look good.
No, you're not having pizza. You're having a nice fish or a nice pasta.
Shelly says I can't have pizza.
They have pizza?
They have pizza.
They like little
I mean, it's an
pizzas?
Italian restaurant.
Yeah. Isn't it pretty?
Yeah, it's gorgeous. So pretty. Fresh bread.
Happy birthday to all of us.
Oh,
Here's to 2021.
happy birthday.
Thank you.
So Shelly and I have birthdays that are very, very close, within days of each other, and we usually celebrate our birthdays. We used to anyways. We
used to
haven't for a very
celebrate
long time. I know, everything.
Mondays, Tuesdays, Fridays.
Well, now that you're in Las Vegas area and we're in the desert half the time, we'll get here more
It's actually
often.
so much closer.
I know.
Yeah, we're
So
not
much
that
closer than Louisiana
Going all the way across the country.
Yeah.
and South Carolina.
Yeah, Louisiana was a little far.
South Carolina.
South Carolina was, but then
Oh, yummy.
your vehicle got hit, and then that.
Oh yeah, that's right. The
all
first
of your
year.
plans-
That's
all
right.
of your plans went up in smoke.
That's right. We've got some calamari. Look at that.
Busy.
Yum.
Busy. Yeah?
Good deal.
Well, I think the last time you came, you were off. I think there was one
last time
time
we were
you
in,
came.
you were
Yeah.
So Shelly and Russ kind of have a special waiter here that they
Well,
request
they're
when they
till
come.
midnight.
This.
Well, when we open it up.
Should I grab one, take the last few bites?
Oh,
Yeah, grab that.
all right. You don't want that one?
Hurry up.
We'll make room.
We'll make room for you. There we go.
Well, what is this, Shell?
That is fresh mozzarella.
Oh my gosh, with prosciutto.
When you open it up,
Prosciutto.
it's going to kind
Prosciutto.
of, yeah. And there's a tomato under there.
And then you open this up and it just oozes out, huh?
Well, it should.
Ooh, yum.
Okay.
It's delicious.
Yummy.
I don't know how you turn it off. GoPro, start recording. Or stop recording.
No, man, take a picture.
Siri, stop recording.
It's not a GoPro.
Hulu.
No. So
Yogurt.
this is some of the best. This is the mozzarella, and I just have a piece of the bread like that, and then we put a little bit of water. Is this watercress nut? I can't see. No,
it's
arugula.
arugula.
A little
Man down.
little tomato, a little prosciutto. Oh my god.
This is all a meal.
That is
It's a meal for you.
scrumptious.
Is that for me?
Sure.
No, I don't want it.
have to take
I was
your
kidding.
mask off.
I was kidding.
I was just saying we probably did not need to order dinner because we've got a lot going on here.
That is a shrimp.
Well,
No, we're
they've
not
cleared
doing
our appetizer plates, and I'm thinking they're gonna bring us new silverware. Then, or is this?
That's all you
should've
get.
We should have kept our silverware.
Here comes.
Oh, here it comes.
Oh, wow, Terry.
Wow, look at that. Yum.
It's like a
Oh, thank you very much.
Holy cannoli.
Yes, sir.
Oh, look at
Brother,
that.
brother and sister ordered the
Yeah,
same
gotta
thing.
get the same
They have a
thing.
YouTube show.
What did you get, Ross?
I got the orecchiette.
Oh, wonderful.
Here's our argument, and maybe you guys can answer it.
Stefano can tell you.
Is it orecchiette or
Orecchiette.
orecchiette or orecchiette? You answer.
Leave it in the comments.
Oh,
Awesome.
Yes, please.
I don't even know what cheese.
You don't want any Parmesan?
Oh, I would. You sure?
Auntie Terry got the most exotic choice.
Thank you.
Cheers.
I'll do crust. Yep, I will.
I'm good. There's Peppa.
Yeah,
She's
of
getting a
course.
full show today.
Thank you. Oh, that looks so good.
Enjoy.
Show you, this
You
is
have
the
a lot of
pasta under here.
In the back. Yeah.
In the back.
Yeah.
So,
I can do luggage. I can do.
is
Yeah,
it
I
two?
No, it's
love
awesome.
that. I love
oh,
luggage.
look at that.
Absolutely.
That is one big piece of pasta. And Shelly, you said that's homemade here, right?
Homemade, yeah.
All freshly made pastas here.
Delicious.
Oh, yummy. Oh, sea scallop.
Really good.
All right, well, we had to get a to-go box. We've had so much yummy food. Oh, something else is happening here. Huh.
So we're
We've all
drinking
got
our
plates.
beers,
Oh,
and then we're drinking wine.
I know.
They take us
I'm
to
pretty
11
full.
and then we get off.
Those are big
So we all got
meals
up
with
'cause
our
it was
bread.
So we're like,
We'll see what they're bringing us.
Oh,
Oh, what is that?
Lava cake, pistachio ice cream.
Oh, thank you. So Shelly and Russ just told him to, for dessert, to bring us what he thought we would like.
whipped cream.
Mint. Oh,
All right,
Okay.
we're going in. Ready?
oh yeah. Oh,
There we go. It's erupting a little bit.
it's erupting. Is it erupting?
Yeah.
It's supposed to kind of flow out, but okay. Still yummy.
Limoncello.
All right.
Cheers. Love you guys.
Ooh. What do you think of that, Scotty?
Yippee-ki-yay.
So Pumpkin has found a new friend, Uncle Russell.
Hi, baby. Hi, little baby. Yeah.
The kitties still have not figured out what this is in their home.
Sissy, I like it.
Hmm.
I like it.
All right, we had a lot of fun at dinner. It was super great. Thank you guys. It's very, very good. We're all just lounging now.
Finally!
Scotty did not like his limoncello.
Ribbon
I'm
shell.
not sure if I drank some of it, but Shelly finished it for me.
Limoncello is yum.
Oh, so now we're just kicking back. It's the end of the day. Thanks a lot for riding with us, you guys. Hope you guys have a good, safe day tomorrow, and we'll see you guys another day.
You know, it's
Scotty, say goodbye to our peoples.
Hasta luego.
Love you guys. Be safe out there.